I want to talk about engine electric components for disassembly and description. Remove the sensors and switches from the engine. If necessary, replace a new one. Camshaft position sensor detects the camshaft position to determine each piston's position with Hall effect. Engine oil pressure switch detects the engine oil pressure. Exhaust temperature sensor measures the exhaust gas temperature of the exhaust manifold. DPF temperature sensor measures the exhaust gas temperature into the DPF. DPF differential pressure sensor measures the pressure difference between the front section and rear section, which is occurred by particulate matters accumulated in the DPF, one of the after-treatment device. Intake pressure sensor measures the intake manifold air pressure. Intake temperature sensor measures the intake manifold air temperature. NOx sensor uses a piezoelectric ceramic element installed in the cylinder block to measure vibration of the engine in order to detect engine knocking. Crankshaft position sensor detects the crankshaft position to determine the engine speed and piston position. Water in fuel sensor detects water mixed in fuel in the fuel filter. Coolant temperature sensor measures the coolant temperature. High pressure pump fuel temperature sensor measures the fuel temperature in the high pressure pump. High pressure inlet metering valve is connected to the high pressure pump to adjust the amount of fuel sent to the rail in order to control the fuel pressure. Common rail pressure sensor measures the internal pressure in the common rail. Egr valve controls the position of the valve, which is used to reduce nitrogen oxide, one of the pollutants in emissions. ACV measures the volume of airflow as the valve which controls the intake airflow when DPF regenerating. Injector injects fuel into the combustion chamber according to the signal from the ECU. Mass airflow sensor measures the volume and temperature of intake air. Accelerator pedal position sensor measures the position of the accelerator pedal to detect the demand of a driver. Hand pedal position sensor measures the position of the hand accelerator pedal to detect the demand of a driver. This concludes the explanation of the engine electric components for disassembly and description.